should test-driven development be more widely used?
Yes, I think it should. So let's talk about what TDD actually is, because there are a lot of misconceptions and people who argue against TDD from a basis of describing something that isn't TDD. So I think that's the first thing to establish what we mean by that. And I think I want to talk about Kent Beck's canon TDD. He's got a post about this, that basically TDD involves first thinking about the problem you're going to solve and writing a test list, breaking the problem into small pieces. And each of the items on that list ultimately is probably going to turn into a test case. And you do them one at a time. You write the test. You get it to see it fail. It's got an assertion in that test. You write just enough code to make that test pass. When you're doing that, you can commit any design sins that you like. You can duplicate code or just write everything in one function or whatever. And then you have the refactor step. Once the tests are green and passing, all of the tests should now be passing. Then you refactor. And then you go back to your test list and you pick another test off the list. And of course, while you're doing this, at any point, you can add tests to the list or you can cross tests off. So that list is dynamic and gets updated. And the idea of this is that you always are working in the context of either all the tests are passing or you've got one failing test. You always know which of those states you're in. And at the end, when you've run out of tests on your list, you've got a good regression suite covering the functionality that you've just built.